Hello, a video of ceiling fans. Here's the first fan. It's I don't know what this is, but I guess it's a Westinghouse. Let's hear it. It's hard to see it. I know. It's a little wobbly. Okay, that's the bedroom fan. Time for the office fan. Here's the office fan. It's on low. And I also have a little fan over here. It's on high. And then the hunter. It's hard to see it. I can get a little closer view to you. Okay. Next fan. The kitchen fan. It used to be broken, but I fixed it. I know it's hard to see in the dark. This is it. Okay. There it is. So basically on medium. And here's the last fan. Victoria. Victoria. It's the most slowest fan out here. Don't care about that fan. There's the secret fan that you don't know. It's the outside fan. I do one more powerful. It's hard to see. Okay. Oh, sorry, the wrong switch. Okay, here's the last fan I'm going to show you guys. It's a Honeywell. It's on high.